Hi everyone, this is Dawn from Next Leap, and I'm here to tell you why you should attend the Kickstart Your Vegan Business workshop. I'm going to share the top 5 reasons over a series of videos, and this video is reason number 1, which is there's never been a better time. So last year in 2017, the plant-based food sector grew by 8.1%, topping $3.1 billion in the US. It's amazing. And more than anything, I want to see the wealth that's being generated by this sector staying in our community. And that means more of us, small business entrepreneurs, creating the products and services that people are going to consume. And that is activism through commerce, my friends, and that's what this workshop is all about. I hope to see you there.